ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯈꯤꯂꯣꯅꯥ ꯊꯣꯛꯆꯣꯝ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 10ꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯃꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯇꯥꯛꯆꯒꯅꯤ.
Hello, dear students. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯀꯁꯟꯗ ꯁꯣꯜ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯕꯨ ꯀꯧꯕꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯪꯃꯤꯟꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯀꯣ. So, salt ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ? ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ salt ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ acid ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ base amaga reaction ꯊꯣꯛꯅꯔꯒ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ neutralized product ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ salt ꯀꯧꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ. ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ salts are the neutralized product formed when an acid reacts with a base. ꯌꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ? ngasi aikoina makha tarakpa oina hydrolysis of acids and bases ki matangda amuk nainasi. So ahanbada, what is hydrolysis? Now hydrolysis is a chemical process in which a molecule of water is added to a substance. Habadi aikoina substance amada ising molecule ama hapsan bagi mahaki chemical process adubu hydrolysis haidana kawi. Matang asida koina khangjinba yaba amana pot amana mahaki character. Matang asida koina acidic natragana basic character utkadori basi in solution ne. Maramdi solution amada acid natragana base oiriba substances singna makoigi ionizable ion singdu ionize tokadori bani. Kudamoina lauraga koyamuk hena gyan taminasi. Akangba litmus paper ama aikoina dry HCl gas taste over the aikoina seasonable matamda aikoina apamba maki pham thokpa characteristic color adu aikoina uba phangte. Kudamoina aikoina sulfuric acid hariba acid siga sodium chloride ka reaction thopa matamda hydrogen chloride hariba gas epithoi. Now aikoina hydrogen chloride sigi test tauge haragadi instead of using dry litmus paper aikoina kari season batare we have to use moist litmus paper. Masagi aikoina characteristic color change uba phangdribadu aikoina karigumba ngasagi litmus paper si ising da cholhalaba adu oiragadi when it comes in contact with the HCl gas aikoina apamba magi coloration haibadi red coloration du adumak uba phangani. Maramdi hydrogen chloride da yauriba hydrogen ion sina water molecule da yauriba H2O siga punjalaba matamda hydronium ion haibadi acid amagi characteristic lepkadoriba ion asi produce tawunan. Acid tawna aikoina metal gi soluble hydroxide singsu makoina ising da solution da ionize tawba matamda makoigi hydroxide ion sing ionize tawraga mahaki basic character adu utli. Kudamoina aikoina potassium hydroxide hariba base gi example ama lausi. So KOH hydroxide na aikoina hydrolysis thoklaba matungda aikoina mahaki constituent ion kari ion potassium ion amasung mahaki basic character lepkodoriba hydroxide ion the ionize tawgani. So aikoina haining idi basic character of bases si mangonda yauriba ionizable hydroxide ion na pihanbani. Now matang sida koina amuk ningsinba yaba amana solutions of acid and bases they are good conductors of electricity. Kari maramgi maramdi makoina solution da free ions yaubanani. Mathangda aikoi amuk term amuk paikatsi dissolution. Now what is dissolution? Now dissolution is the process in which a substance is dissolved in a solution. Karigumba solution amada pot amabu dissolve to hanbagi magi process to bu aikoina dissolution kawi. Now acids amasung bases hariba substances singsi makoina ising the dissolve toraga kai toropage haibase koimo makhatana yingsi. Now acids and alkali makoina ising the dissolve toba matamda large amount of heat pithorei haibadi the process is an exothermic process. Karamba process? A process in which heat is being given out. Now, koi hauzik khange madudi acid amasung bases hariba substances singsina isingda dissolve tawba matamda makogi constituent ions da dissociate tawi. Maramaduna makogi character either acidic or basic character utpangamlibani. Now, acid amasung base ki mahaki mapangan haibadi strength sisu ngasagi rate of ionization sidai sida depend tawgani haibadi complete ionization thogadi we will get strong acids or strong bases. In case of partial ionization or incomplete ionization aikoina weak acid natragana weak base phangani. Now, matang asida aikoina acid amasung base ki strength karam haina aikoina ongani. How can we determine the strength of acid and bases? Haiba question amalai. Now, aikoina acid natragana base amagi mapangan si aikoina indicator. Kari indicator? Universal indicator hariba indicator si sizinaraga aikoina onba ngami. So what is a universal indicator? Now, a universal indicator, it is a mixture of indicators to ascertain the strength of a given acid or base. Now, aikoina acid amasung base ki mahaki strength si scale amada oli hariba scales bu aikoina the pH scale haina khangnei. Now, hariba scale sida aikoina pH value gi range si aikoina 0 to 14 laigani. Karigumba mahaki range sina pH value gi range si aikoina less than 7 oiba matamda aikoina pot si acid ni haitana aikoina laugani. Aduga magi pH value si sina greater than 7 leiba matamda na aikoina pot si alkaline substance ni haigani. Aduga in case of neutral substance magi pH value si aikoina 7 around 7 laigani. Makha tarakpada aikoina how can we express the pH scale mathematically? Sigi matang se mugeng si aikoina mathematically pH scale asi aikoina pH is inversely proportional to hydronium ion concentration haidana aikoina express awi. Haibadi aikoina lower the pH value, higher the hydronium ion concentration and vice versa haibani. Matawasum na aikoina karigumba alkaline substances singdadi mahaki OH ion gi concentration si wangliba makai mahaki pH value si wangadori bani. Now aikoina table amagi matengna common sample solution kharagi makoi gi pH value aduga mahaki pH paper da utpa magi corresponding color change si amu yenginasi. Now, ahanba sample da akoina lauribasi tape water. Now, tape water si akoina universal indicator gi pH paper sijanaraga akoina yengba matamda mahaki coloration si green lai aduga magi corresponding pH value sina 7 lai. Matawasum na akoina pH value 7 laiba tape water asi akoina neutral substance ni haitana akoina conclude tawai. Ani shuba sample da mineral water. Now, mineral water gi case study aikoina mahaki pH paper gi color si somewhere green, dark green sumaina lai. Aduga mahaki corresponding pH value si aikoina 6.5 tagina 7.5 ki marakta lawi. Asum na aikoina mineral water si magi nature si aikoina neutral ni haidana haigani. Ahum suba sample solution si aikoina black tea gini. Now, in case of black tea, mahaki pH paper gi color si green lai, aduga mahaki corresponding pH value sina somewhere around 6.37. So, mahaki pH value dagi koina khangba ngamle madudi black tea si somewhere acidic. Mathangi sample da koina orange juice amuk lausi. Now, orange juice ki taste oba matam dadi koina pH paper gi mahaki color si yellowish oirai. Aduga mahaki pH value sina 3 sumaina lai. Haibadi orange juice is highly acidic, somewhere acidic. Next sample da sodium bicarbonate. Now sodium bicarbonate ki magi pH paper gi color si green oina lai aduga magi pH values ina somewhere around 8.4. So masidagi akoina lawba yaba conclusion di sodium bicarbonate solution is alkaline in nature. Mathang dai koina lauriba samples ina sugar cane juice. Now sugar cane juice ki mahaki taste over matamda akoina universal pH paper gi maki coloration si green oirei aduga maki corresponding pH values ina somewhere around 4.5 to 5.5. Habadi maki nature si somewhat alkaline oirei. Adu oiragadi ngasi akoina makha tarakpo oina salt ki makhal habadi types of salts ki matanga akoigi ngasi gi discussion thamsi. Acid ama base amana neutralize toba natragana vice versa toba matamda aikoina tongan ba product phangba yai. Haidiba product si khena bagi matungina aikoina salt si maruiba makhal ahum thokna khaidokpa yai. Makhal ahum adudi acidic salt, basic salt, amasung normal natragana neutral salt. So ahanbada aikoi ahanba makhal gi salt, acidic salt ki matangda khara muk nainasi. So what are acidic salts? Acidic salts kadai ba kawage hairagadi aikoina karigumba strong acid amaga weak base amaga completely neutralized tawnerba matungda semiba product adubu aikoina acidic salt haina khangni. Habadi acidic salts are salts formed by complete neutralization of a strong acid and a weak base. Ekoi matang sida example ama lokhalaga yengsi. So ekoina hydrochloric acid hariba strong acid asina ekoina ammonium hydroxide hariba weak base siga neutralize tawnaba matamda semla iba salt kari salt ammonium chloride hariba salt si ekoina acidic salt ki example ni. Matang asida ekoina ningsingba yaba manamuk acidic salt haibasi aikoina acid amasung base ki marakta incomplete neutralization tawnarakanda sembasu yai. Khudamoina aikoina sulfuric acid hariba acid with the formula H2SO4 masiga sodium hydroxide hariba base with the formula NaOH anisi neutralize tawminaba matamda aikoina incomplete neutralization namaram oiraga phangliba magi byproduct oiriba salt sodium hydrogen sulfate with formula NaHSO4 masiya aikoina acidic salt ni. Hariba salt singsina makhatana amuk base ka react tawrakanda normal salt semangami. Khudamoina sodium hydrogen sulfate hariba sina akoina makhatana amuk sodium hydroxide hariba base gi molecule amaga amuk makhatana react tawba matamda akoina phanglaiba salt sodium sulfate se akoina normal salt ni. Ani shubha makhal gi salt amuk paikhat si the second type of salt is basic salt. So what are basic salt? Now basic salts, they are salts formed by complete neutralization of a strong base and a weak acid. Haibadi basic salts semakpada changliba magi parent base strong base ni aduga strong base na weak acid amaga neutralize tawnagadoriba. So now example amamu paikhat si ekoina acetic acid hariba weak acid sina strong base sodium hydroxide ka reaction thoknaba matamda semlaiba neutralized product salt si ekoina sodium acetate with formula CH3COONA. Hariba sodium acetate salt si is an example of a basic salt. Acidic salt ta togiba dum haina basic salts sisu ekoina sometimes incomplete neutralization of the acid and the base na maram oiraga same bayai. Khudamoina aikoina magnesium hydroxide hariba base ga hydrochloric acid ka neutralize sonaba matamda karma makhal gi neutralization incomplete neutralization thokpa matamda same laiba so magnesium hydroxychloride with formula MgOHCl. Hariba salt si aikoina basic salt gi example oina laugani. Hariba basic salts na makhatana aikoi acid molecule amaga amuk neutralize tonaba matamda aikoina normal salt ama amuk phangani khudam oina magnesium hydroxychloride na makhata na hydrochloric acid ki molecule amaga react toba matamda magnesium chloride hariba salt si semgadori bani ahum suba makhal gi salt amu paikalasi the third type of salt is normal or neutral salt. So what are normal or neutral salt? Hairagadi aikoina these are the salts formed by complete neutralization of a strong acid and a strong base. Haigani example amamu koi lokhatse example da koina hydrochloric acid hariba strong acid asina sodium hydroxide hariba strong base ga reaction thokpa matamda completely neutralized tonaraga aikoina sodium chloride hariba normal salt si same. Now aikoina salt makal ahum si aikoi khanglaba matung makha tarakpa topic oina aikoina hydrolysis of salt in water amu paikatsi. So what happens when a salt is hydrolyzed? Haibadi aikoina karigumba salt ama isinga reaction thongna halagadi kari tawgani. Yes, obviously there will be formation of the salt solution. Now hariba salt solution si aikoina mahaki acidic oigadra basic oigadra natragana neutral oigadra haiba question ama lai hariba si aikoina lawriba salt karamba salt lawgi bage karamba salt no hydrolysis to handori se haibagi khena bagi matungina aikoina salt solution gi magi nature si either acidic basic natragana neutral oirpa yai matang asida aikoina ahanbada paikhatsi acidic salt ki matang. Now acidic salt na ising da dissolve to holaga semba mahaki salt solution si aikoina acidic oigani haibadi blue litmus paper gi magi machu si red olakani karamba solution da acidic salt ki solution da haiba salt solution gi magi pH value si less than 7 oi matang asida koina ningsing ba yaba point amadi lai madudi karino sodium hydrogen carbonate hariba salt si mahaki solution si di aikoina yengba matamda slightly alkaline ore kai maramgi maramdo koi khangjin minasi sodium hydrogen carbonate hariba salt solution sina alkaline oibagi maramdi hariba salt sida sembada changiba mahaki base si strong base oibanani hoi hojik mahaki changliba involved chemical equation do amuk yengse sodium hydrogen carbonate si aikoina water molecule ga react to hanba matamda aikoina magi parent acid and base fangi kari parent acid carbonic acid hariba parent acid aduga sodium hydroxide hariba strong base sina magi parent base oina phangi. Now what about basic salt solution? Basic salt solution di karam haina to wajano hairagadi koina basic salt solution si koina litmus paper indicator season araga taste over matamda red litmus paper si koina blue oirapa thengni haibadi it is alkaline in nature hairiba solution sigi maki pH value si sina koina more than 7 oi kudamoina koina sodium acetate ki solution si maki pH value si will be more than 7. Makha tarakpa salt, normal salt. Normal salt, natagana koina neutral salt, haina so khangna base. Hariba salt solution se, mahaki nature sidi koina maming da so koina thenagre neutral organi. Haibadi, mahaki pH ki value si around 7 sumaina le. Kudamoina koina sodium chloride, amasung potassium sulfate hariba normal salt ki makoigi solution si they are neutral to litmus. So aikoina ngasigi parasidagi koina khangba ngamni si kari kari no hairagadi aikoina pot amagi mahaki character either acidic oigera basic oigera mahaki character si pot to the yauriba magi ionizable hydrogen ion in case of acid aduga ionizable hydroxide ion in case of bases in lekani. Now acid natragana base amagi strength on basi aikoina pH scale gi mateng na on gani aduga aikoina how strong or how weak an acid or a base masi aikoina khangge hairagana we have to take the help of universal indicator. So akoina ngasi ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯀꯁꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯣꯜꯠꯀꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯤഡിꯛ ꯁꯣꯜꯠ ꯕꯦꯁꯤꯛ ꯁꯣꯜꯠ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯅꯣꯔꯃꯦꯜ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯜ ꯁꯣꯜꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯦꯁꯤडिक salt solution दी acidic ओइगनी हाइबदी महागना blue litmus paper सी red coloration on थो हनगनी basic salt solution दी alkaline in nature oil basic in nature oil अदुगा मकोइना red litmus paper बु blue ओलहन मंगमी अदुगा normal salt solution दी मकोइ दी neutral solution सेमी हाइबसन